You need green beads because it's almost St. Patrick's Day. Then you'll need string. And then you need a black marker and 1 hole punch. 2 green felt. If you have scissors, then you need them. Pencil with a eraser to make our shamrocks, and some paper. Now we're going to draw a 4 or 3 leaf shamrock. Now let's cut it out. Now that you cut it out, let's trace it on here with a black marker. There we go. That looks perfect. Now let's do it right here on this one again. Now let's hole punch it. Get your rainbow string. And now let's put it in. Put a bead on. 2 beads in the middle. And then when you're done, tie it up, and then boom, you have a necklace.